Something's wrong, I feel it circling like vultures around my brain. Couldn't see the danger in your eyes. Draw me in, got me spinning now like water to a drain. You were perfect till I realized you hadn't shown your face. You sing a pretty song.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So the Cash Days event is over. Boy, was it a great time. MIDWESTRC Tim came up, got a link to his channel below in the description. You're gonna hear me say that a few times, and you're gonna see how awesome his car performed. You're gonna see how awesome everybody's car performed, including mine, a personal best. And we're gonna be talking about that stuff a lot in some upcoming videos. Now, I made it to the semifinals of the main Cash Days event and got knocked out. But as I said, I learned a lot. And I also learned a lot by just seeing what everybody else was doing. We had a lot of out-of-towners, which was great to see what kind of gear they were running and everything. And I'm gonna tell you that there is a lot more out there than McLean and DRK and everything else like that. And people are having some good success. So you're gonna be seeing some of that stuff here on the channel. We've got the Breakout chassis coming, we've got radio, we've got different motors. So we're gonna go ahead and see what we can do with that and bring you guys some more information here on the channel. So without further ado, let's get to the whole Cash Days event. You can see how that all went down. A lot of good info is gonna be inside this video. And again, don't forget to subscribe. There's gonna be a lot of stuff coming up on the channel and hopefully be able to help you guys out. We'll see you at the event. Was it Einstein that said that you can't just keep doing the same thing over and over again and expect different results? I think he said something like that. Today is our Cash Days, and if you saw my last video, you saw that I really didn't make any progress. I haven't made really a lot of progress since I first got the Phantom 3.5. Here is the car with the new body on. Didn't turn out too bad, so that is different. But we need to make a few other changes to this thing before the day today. Honestly, I'm scared to death to do anything to the car because at least I know with the tune and everything I have right now, it goes straight and I might be kind of competitive. But I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna change the rear shocks on this thing. We're gonna drop down that fluid and see if we can get some more traction. My buddy Tim, MIDWESTRC, don't forget to check his channel out, link in the description below. Suggested that maybe the thicker oil is just keeping the car kind of up there and it's not biting down like it should. So we're gonna give that a shot and hopefully we can get out and make a couple runs before we head over to the Cash Days today. So gonna go to the bench, get all that changed. I think I have some 80 weight and then I go way up. So we're gonna change it to 80 weight, leave the stiff springs in here, and we'll see you guys out at the test track. What's going on, Raj? What's going on, Junior? Aren't we always? Spun it. Not a bad out of hell. Not a bad out of hell. King of the 10,000 milliamp battery. Good run, Mark. Here we go, Raj. All right, guys, we're out here at the big cash race. We're in about the middle of round one. Ah, man, big crash. I drew first and won my first race. We got our tree system running right now. It said I ran like a 2.269, so we'll see how that compares to the GNSS. I did make changes beside the shock oil. I ended up go ahead and putting that 92 spur on there and been making some changes inside the DRK, try to sweeten things up a little bit. We're gonna go take a walk around and get some live action here. That was Tim Barth, MIDWESTRC in the right lane that just won that. Link to his channel below. Drove all the way from Fort Wayne, Indiana here to race today. Dude's car is on fire.
Left lane, are you ready? Right lane, are you ready? On the green.
There's a setup going on today, pretty much everything as usual. Tim's got his entire science bench out there. He's very happy on his special combo, that is for sure. Second round, Drew, right lane, third race. So we're getting ready to start back up right now. No idea who I am against till I get to the line, so we'll be back. All right, just made it past the second round. Kind of an easy one. Hate beating kids, but you know, they're gonna pay to play. That's what happens. Tim had another amazing hit. Took out the same guy that he did in the first round after the buyback. So things are getting pretty interesting here. We got some out-of-towners that are shaking up the local scene here. No GNSS times. Just busy charging and keeping an eye on things. So round 3, I got the bye. You just saw Tim just whip butt again in a real close race. It was a really good race. A little drama going on. People were getting a little hurt. Getting their feelings hurt because they're out right now and watching from the sidelines. I'm sure that's going to be me soon. Well, not the best semifinals for the home team. I got taken out, Tim got taken out. Both of us had good races, but sounds like we're gonna do another race tonight, so this isn't over yet. The top 4 of us are all pretty close together there, so pretty excited about that. It's all good. Your old buddy Dorky and 40 went out there in that round. Tim hung on until the semifinals. I think everybody's just tired and scooting out of here today. Personal best for me though. I'll put it up on the screen. Very, very happy about that. Now it's on to the next one. So I hope you guys enjoyed all this. Thanks for stopping by and we'll see you later. Peace.